To be in the kitchen. All over these years, people been having struggling to remove the shell from the garlic, to peel garlic. Many people say that garlic is it's very hard to peel and then can't bother with garlic, but it's only one way you can peel garlic, you know. I'm not gonna give you the best way. One way, easiest way, and that's the original way. And no one can change it from that way. No matter how much style I come in with, so shake it in pan, doing this with garlic, I'm gonna give you the best way you can ever do garlic at home. This is the way. This is an original way. This is how I come see my grandmother been doing it. My mother, my father, many people where I work amongst. This is the way how they do it. Look at this way. Remember to subscribe, leave your comments below, and thank you so much for tuning into my show. Peel garlic at home.
Anywhere you go, you always get your garlic. Them look like this. And what you don't normally do, probably either use a knife or your scissors and simple cut out this section right here. Every time you buy a garlic, the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna break it like this. So the time when you're gonna do everything and I get hot water, put in microwave, simple. Break it off. Turn the knife this way and crush it. And less than a second, your garlic is ready. See? This is what I'm talking about. I've been watching so many people doing all different kind of stuff with garlic. Now, this is the original way about garlic. Break it off. Crush it, or you can use your bread, your table knife. Be careful of the sharp knife, and remove the shell. That's it. That's the best way to peel a garlic. So I saw people doing all sorts of stuff with garlic. This is the original way of peeling garlic right here, guys. Seriously, me not see no other else way to peel garlic but this kind of way, and I love that original way. Anytime you go to the shop or you buy garlic, that's what happened. Look at this big chunky one now. Get it, turn the knife this way, and y'all can simply crush it. Like this. As you guys can see. Look at that. Easy, 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 easy. Garlic, done and dusted. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show and tips and ideas of doing things at home. We're coming with a lot more ideas, guys, about garlic. As soon as we get them, we will show you. See you next time. Bye bye.